Hi everyone, welcome to Kottayam Kitchen YouTube channel with Riya. Today I am sharing the recipe of mixed fruit salad. It's a refreshing and healthy dessert for adults and kids. For this you need 2 cups of milk. Boil the milk in medium flame. When the milk gets boiled, prepare the custard by mixing 4 tablespoons custard powder in cold milk. Add the prepared custard to the boiling milk. And mix continuously. Add half cup sugar and mix continuously to avoid lumps and burnouts. Stir well until the milk gets reduced and thickened. Cool the milk to room temperature. After cooling, strain the milk to remove all the debris. Keep this in refrigerator for 5 hours. Meanwhile, cut all the fruits which you like. Here I am adding half cup red grapes, 1 apple, 1 mango, 1 orange, few almonds and pistachios, dried cranberries, remember there is no specific measurements for these fruits, add as per your choice, and also remember to cut apples at the end. Chill this before serving. Add your favorite toppings of dried fruits and nuts. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. More healthy recipes are coming up. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.